Hey guys, welcome to Writing System in Blueprint version 1.3. So here I have a default third-person template. I have the writing system in Blueprint added to this project. I also have added the HorseAnimSet Pro. I'm going to make this character the writer for the HorseAnimSet Pro and the writing system Blueprint, okay? So I'm going to open the Blueprint here. So this is the mesh. I'm going to add writer component. There are 4 of them. Pick the one without any extension like IP, IPX, or X, this one, right? So I'm going to open the default project. So we're going to copy a couple of things. So you might have your own this, but you would need this. So I'm going to at this moment copy everything and replace all this. Okay, so I'm missing a function, line trace. I'm going to create this function here, then just copy that. There you go. You can just select everything and then refresh. It will refresh it for you. There you go. No more errors, right? I don't think I have anything in the construction. Yeah, so that's step number 1. So I'm gonna open the skeleton, and this looks fine. Auto, and I'm going to open this one. This is the template skeleton, right? So I can just do the same thing here. Select auto. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this skeleton with the template one. So that way you can just do right click, retarget to another skeleton, and that's going to be in the, I think this is the one, writing system epic and insert. No, not that one. This one, the game mannequin character mesh. So pretty much it's going to make all the writer's animation use the default mannequin skeleton. Save the project. Let's test it. If I open this, let's find it here. We go here, writer idle version 2. Okay, let's add this one. Okay, close that. There you go. And let's walk left version 2. So that goes all the writer's animation, but there are more. There are mount animations. So you have mount from left. This one. mount back, mount from front left. So now you have the dismount. Pick all the dismount animations, right click, create an montage, right? And save. So we're going to plug in one by one. So this is the rear one. We don't need the card though. This one front left. Dismount front right. All right, so that's all the dismount montages. For the mount, so we need to fill in the durations. So for example, if I hover over this, is going to be 1.7. If you see the sequence length, 6 or 1.5 for the left and right ones. Let me see what's the right ones. 1.7. I'll put 1.5. Rear one, I'll keep exactly the same. Is 1. Front left, front right. 1.1 is 1.3. I'm going to put like 1.1. You could put existing. Now the animations, right? So this is the animations for the default third person template. Copying the animation graph is very difficult because it has a lot of information. So I'm going to open the default one and the template one. As you see, there's a lot of information, so I'm going to copy pretty much everything, right, and paste it here. So this is like, you know, you have is it in ear, speed, so I don't need this part. Okay, then I'm going to right click and refresh. Then I have to create some variables, a lot of variables actually. So for example, this is the first one, this is the other one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then all this. All right, so we're done. There's no compilation error. Now the animation graph, right here. There you have the jump. You can keep the jump. Let's add this. This is very important. You need to add the default slot. This is needed to play the anim montage. Go here, so we can keep this. We just need to add that. copy that, paste it here. I think it's more like mounted or mounted, not mounted. I think that should be it. Right, we can close this one. So we finished the, we should be able to use this player. So if I go to the default map, and we should be able to use this character, hopefully. So let's increase the trace. Right, trace distance, trace radius, distance 20, trace radius 20. Okay, so I can mount, I can dismount as well. This is an example that I created earlier so that I can copy the animations quickly, but from scratch, what you're going to do, you're going to replace this. So this is the mountable character base. Open that, right? Go to mesh. You're going to use the horse. The horse, right? Put the horse here. So in the writing system, we're going to, put some put the writer's animation here one by one. The concept is that you're going to go to the horse root motion animations, right? And then select all the animations only, all the animation sequences, right? In the root motion folder, right click, go to asset actions, go to bulk edit, then you're going to search for root. You're going to just enable root motion for all of them, save. Then we're going to clear the filter, right? So that's step number one. Step number two, so let's see, you have the walk animation, right? So we're going to find horse walk. So I already created the montages, so you're going to do is right click, create an montage, right? So it's going to create the montage, double click, you're going to set it to loop, right? So you're going to set it to loop for all the, pretty much all the any montages, and then save. Then we're going to use this. I already created the montages so that I don't have to, so it saves me a lot of time. But that's the process of creating the montages for this, right? So I already have it here. I'm just going to quickly copy and put it here. And this takes a very long time. So quickly here. So these are all montages set to loop. All right, so that was quick. I'm going to set the rearing to 1. This I still have to check. Let's check the rearing though. I go here. I can close this. The rearing, this is the duration, 1.7.3, 1.7, and rearing to left is 1.4. All right, let's see how far map went. I'm gonna place this character in the map. Okay, that's a good start. So we have to rotate the mount point. so let's see. Yeah, no, I think that looks fine to me. There's no anim class, we have to add that. So I'm going to quickly create one. So if I go to the writing system, blueprint, NMBP, so we want to create from this is go to the skeleton, go to the retarget. So you're going to clear this, go here, don't change any bones or socket. So save that. Now open the horse ones, go to skeleton. I'm going to do the same thing, retarget, clear, select. That's it, don't change anything here. Okay, right click, retarget anim graph, duplicate. I'm going to pick the horse skeleton, retarget. Okay, I'm going to delete. I'm not going to use this this animation because so this created me the animations anim graph, right? So we go to anim graph. So pretty much we're going to change this, right? Okay, so first we have to create jump. Go here, horse. So I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to make 3 of this. Okay, no, not this. This. Then we have loop and all right. So the start is going to be. So I'm going to go up to this. The 20, right? I'm going to go from. I'm going to delete the 21 to the last frame. Okay. And the loop is going to be 21st frame. This one. So I'm going to delete from 22 to 41 and 0 to 21. So pretty much it's going to be only one frame. It's going to be 0 to 1. Okay. So it's going to be just one frame so that it's like, you know, it's in loop position. All right. So the last one is from 22 to the end. So I'm going to delete the 0 to 21, 0 to 21, and there's the last one. All right, so we have all the. Okay, so also I'm going to rename this to HorseAnimSet to horse. This is going to be the start. Not gonna. This shouldn't be looping. Then I have loop. This should be looping. Okay. Then you have end. Shouldn't be looping. And I think this we need to update this as well. So this is going to be time remaining ratio that. Okay, and this is fine. This is, I think this is going to time remaining ratio horse jump end. Also, this is going to be the jump loop. This is for flying. You can use different jump loop. This is for like when you're flying and trying to land from the air. And this is the blank space. So this is blank space for flying. For right now, I'm just going to clear this. See here, just clear it and put it back. The arrow should be gone. Now this is what? This is for idle. Clear this. Plug it back in. Save. All the errors are gone. Nice. Now we can delete these 3 broken animations. There you go. Make sure you save your projects all the times. All right. Now I'm going to move this to the same location of this. There you go. So this is ready. So I'm going to plug back in. Put it here. Now let's see if this works. Okay, the reverse work forward. Okay, so I think I'm using wrong animation probably. So the walk, yeah, I'm probably using wrong animations. So let me see, why did I do wrong? So you have idle, walk left. Okay, this is wrong. This is walk. This is walk right. Alright, so let's see what I said. Walk is good. Left, right, trot, trot left, trot right. And alright, let's give it a try. Alright, so walk works. Left, right. Okay, I'm gonna do this. See, walk is the default, right? So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. It's 1. I'm gonna make it 1.2. Do the same thing for this. 1.2. So it's not like too slow. You can use it, right? Right, there you go. Okay, there you go. See? So now shift is to increase speed. Shift, this is trot. Trot is working. Trot left is working. Enter is working. Left. Gallop is working. Right. Left. Sprint is working. Sprint right. Left. Jump. Jump is working as well. And let's see what else is working. Rear, reverse, left, right working. Rearing is working. Rearing to left is working. Rearing to right is working. Okay, so pretty much it's working. So we just have to adjust the mount and dismount. All right, make sure it's spline 1. And so what else? So we're going to change the rider's mount animations. So we have to go over one by one and adjust that. So I'm going to pick this one first. Beginning of this, right? And I'm going to click on the root minus 63. Apply. So I'm going to add the same thing for the other one, like So you compare with the way you just add key, apply, then you just try it. So I added -60 for that, and for this one left, select the root. -63, key, apply, front left. -63. All right, let's give it a try. So yeah, so you can tweak that. You can just, I think it has to be lower, like maybe -60 something. If you open the dismount and open the anim sequence, right, they have to be root motion enabled, all of the dismount animations. So if I open one by one of them, now let's see if the dismount animation works. There you go. That's pretty much it. I think that's, so you just have to tweak. So I think there's a setting I can give it to you. For the rider trace, my current setup is 10, 15, 20, but 10, 15, 20, this works for me. I don't know if this is going to work for you though. Let me see. Yeah. So we have to adjust this as well. So if I see, let me see. So the left box is going to be, this is what I have. Right is this. Rear is that. Front right is this. Front left is that. So this is what I have, and with this settings you should be able to, there you go. So you know, look, it seems like everything working, and I think, yeah, I think I have the animation wrong for the turn. Walk back, left, right. I think this one is wrong right here. There you go. All right, I think we have everything working here. Okay.